Allar Naresh hits and flops all movies list up to Bachalamalli movie. First movie Allari, released in 2002, directed by Ravi Babu, blockbuster. Second movie Dhanalakshmi I Love You, released in 2002, directed by Shivanageshwar Rao, hit. Third movie Totti Gang, released in 2002, directed by EVV Satyanarayana, hit. Fourth movie Juniors, released in 2003, directed by J. Pullarao, hit. Fifth movie Pranam, released in 2003, directed by Malli, hit. Sixth movie Ma Alludu Very Good, released in 2003, directed by EVV Satyanarayana, hit. Seventh movie Kurumbu, released in 2003, directed by Vishnuvardhan, flop. Eighth movie Nenu, released in 2004, directed by Satyababu, hit. Ninth movie Nuvante Nakishtam, released in 2005, directed by EVV Satyanarayana, flop. Tenth movie Danger, released in 2005, directed by Krishna Vamshi, hit. 11th movie Party, released in 2006, directed by Ravi Babu, hit. 12th movie Kitakitalu, released in 2006, directed by EVV Satyanarayana, super hit. 13th movie Roommates, released in 2006, directed by AVS Subramaniam, super hit. 14th movie Gopi, released in 2006, directed by GK Mudduraj, flop. 15th movie Attili Satyababu LKG, released in 2007, directed by EVV Satyanarayana, hit. 16th movie Allare Allari, released in 2007, directed by Mupulaneni Shiva, hit. 17th movie Pellaindi Kaani, released in 2007, directed by EVV Satyanarayana, flop. 18th movie Shiyama Shastri, released in 2007, directed by G. Nageshwar Rao Reddy, hit. 19th movie Sundarakanda, released in 2008, directed by Bapu, flop. 20th movie Vishaka Express, released in 2008, directed by Vara Mallapudi, flop. 21st movie Pilli Kani Prasad, released in 2008, directed by Satya Dwarapudi, hit. 22nd movie Gamyam, released in 2008, directed by Radha Krishna Jagarla Moody, blockbuster. 23rd movie Bommana Brothers Chandana Sisters, released in 2008, directed by Srinivas Reddy, super hit. 24th movie Sidhu from Srikakulam, released in 2008, directed by Ishwar Reddy, hit. 25th movie Blade Babji, released in 2008, directed by Devi Prasad, super hit. 27th movie Dongala Bandi, released in 2008, directed by Satish Vagansna, hit. 27th movie Fitting Master, released in 2009, directed by EVV Satyanarayana, flop. 28th movie Bendapparav RMP, released in 2009, directed by EVV Satyanarayana, super hit. 29th movie Shambho Shiva Shambho, released in 2010, directed by Samutrakani, super hit. 30th movie Akasha Ramanna, released in 2010, directed by Ashok G, flop. 31st movie Betting Bangar Raju, released in 2010, directed by Satyababu, hit. 32nd movie Shubhapradam, released in 2010, directed by K. Vishwanath, flop. 33rd movie Saradaga Kasepu, released in 2010, directed by Vamshi, hit. 34th movie Katti Kantarav, released in 2010, directed by EVV Satyanarayana, hit. 35th movie Ahana Pellanta, released in 2011, directed by Veerabhadram, super hit. 36th movie Seema Tapakai, released in 2011, directed by Nageshwar Reddy, super hit. 37th movie Madata Kaja, released in 2011, directed by Sita Ramaraju Dantluri, hit. 38th movie Porali, released in 2011, directed by Samutrakani, super hit. 39th movie Nuva Nena, released in 2012, directed by Narayana, flop. 40th movie Sudigadu, released in 2012, directed by Srinivasa Rao Bhimaneni, blockbuster. 41st movie Yemudiki Mogudu, released in 2012, directed by Satyababu, flop. 42nd movie Action, released in 2013, directed by Anil Sunkara, flop. 43rd movie Kivu Keka, released in 2013, directed by Devi Prasad, blockbuster. 44th movie Laddu Babu, released in 2014, directed by Ravi Babu, flop. 45th movie Jampu Jelani, released in 2014, directed by Satyababu, hit. 46th movie Brother of Bommali, released in 2014, directed by Chinni Krishna, super hit. 47th movie Bandipotu, released in 2015, directed by Mohan Krishna Indraganti, hit. 48th movie James Bond, released in 2015, directed by Sai Kishore Macha, hit. 49th movie Mama Manchu Alludu Kanchu, released in 2015, directed by Srinivas Reddy, hit. 50th movie Selfie Raja, released in 2016, directed by Ishwar Reddy, hit. 51st movie Intlo Dayyam Nakem Bhayyam, released in 2016, directed by Nageshwar Reddy, flop. 52nd movie Meda Meda Abbai, released in 2017, directed by Prajit, hit. 53rd movie Silly Fellows, released in 2018, directed by Srinivasa Rao Bhimaneni, super hit. 54th movie Maharshi, released in 2019, directed by Vamshi Paidapalli, blockbuster. 55th movie Bangaru Bullodu, released in 2021, directed by P.V. Giri, hit. 56th movie Nandi, released in 2021, directed by Vijay Kanaka Medala, blockbuster. 57th movie Itlu Maredu Mulli Prajanikam, released in 2022, directed by A.R. Mohan, super hit. 58th movie Ugram, released in 2023, directed by Vijay Kanaka Medala, super hit. 59th movie Nasami Ranga, released in 2024, directed by Vijay Binni, flop. 60th movie Avakati Adakku, released in 2024, directed by Malli Ankam, hit. Next upcoming movie Bachalamalli, in the direction of Subbu Mangadevi.